All right, here we go. Going live. Make sure we're live across the board. That'd be great. Good morning, everybody. Good to see you all. We are jamming. We are live across the board now. Appreciate you. I am streaming from my truck today, so if the internet acts a little shady, a little shoddy, it'll be all right. Everybody be cool. The weather should be fine. So we should be good. Thank you all. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for double tapping those screens when you guys show up. Thank you. Thank you. If you want us to look at any stocks today, of course, make sure you mention it on any of those free platforms. The first 30 minutes, of course, we will be calling out stocks and movements, so it's a little hectic in the first 30 minutes. After that 30 minutes, let me kill this Wi-Fi off that system. Once those first 30 minutes are over, then we go into basically into our training Q&A mode. So from 9:30 to 10, it's very hectic. So if this is your first time being here, that's not how we are all day long. It's just it's the most volatile time of the market. We can capture a lot of dollars in those first 30 minutes only if you are an experienced trader. If you are not an experienced trader, I recommend you do not trade that first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day, just because of the way that the stock market moves. Again, appreciate all of you as you're coming in. We have over 200 people inside of our Zoom. They have live open microphones. They can ask questions all day long. This is live, real training. This is live, real training all day. If you're a VIP member, you're here from 12 to 12, 12 to 12, 4 a.m. to 4 p.m., 12 hours. Jared says, experienced trader, like what option trading option chart would you look at? If you're an experienced trader, what options trading chart would I be looking at? I'm typically trading SPY, Tesla, the Qs. If you're a newer trader, you should be looking at Soxel, Ford, Apple on the large cap. Do you trade in my car? Yes, I do. I trade everywhere. Planes, trains, automobiles, doesn't matter. As long as you have internet access, you can trade from anywhere in the world. That's the beauty of what we do here, right? We have people all the time that are on vacations or waiting in a doctor's office. I mean, you can do this from anywhere as long as you have internet, right? And your region allows it. It's amazing. Yeah, those of you that are watching on secondary TikTok account, let me show you guys what I'm doing here. Look. Can you guys see it? Nice. Jared says, dang, that's crazy. You said Soxel. I bought, oh wow, 436 shares at 784 average in March and April. Good job. Good job. Did you guys hear that? That's beautiful. Nice work. Yeah, Soxel's still running. What is it, $27? $26 right now as of pre-market. Yeah, that was a nice runner, right? Palantir, AI, Nvidia, Tesla. We've been on the forefront of all of these. All these stocks. SoFi, Carvana, right? I told you guys all of these stocks when the whole world was crying, right? These are the stocks that we were looking at.
What would you do with stock AI today, Coach?
Let me look. AI itself, where's it at? Let me see. $14. Oh, there must have been some. Oh, what did it do? Have an offering last night?
Warned on revenue, I believe, and earnings.
Yeah,
Friday night PR at 7:30.
I got you. Yeah, that's a train wreck. 30% overnight. Yeah, that's brutal. Let me look. Let's see. So what did it cap at? It capped at 45. When we were trading it, it got up to $45. I haven't said the word AI and well, at least not the stock itself. You guys haven't heard me call that out in years, have you? Um, yeah, it got down to 17. It bounced back up to 32. It's now sitting at 22. Hopefully, if you guys are in that, what is my rule, everybody in the room, if you guys are holding anything long term? What is my golden rule to that?
Hedge.
That's right. If you guys are just holding stocks without hedging, you're not listening to anything I've ever said since being here for the last 3 years live, 5.5 in this at American Dream Trading, right? Is everybody hedging your longs? Okay, good. Yeah, but I don't want to wake up to a 33% hit and I don't have covered calls or short puts positions on that. I don't want to. I don't want that pain, right? Please, everybody in the room, listen when I'm talking about that. I always tell you all the time, protect it, right? Depending on the size, but usually it's 5 to 15% on the hedge. I say that all the time, don't I? I've been saying that since day one. Have I ever changed in that? It's like an insurance policy, right? At least be writing those covered calls to cover yourself and use the correct delta. You must use the correct delta. If you are not using the correct delta and you are writing covered calls, you are missing so much money. The guessing game of just trying to pick some random, well, it moves about $2, right? And then it runs 7 and you're like, oh, yeah. You'll always make more money on share price rising than you will collecting premium. Haven't I also said that since the day I got here? Correct. Speaking of that, it's funny. One of my competitors needs financial, I don't want to say advice because I don't give financial advice, but he would like to talk to me. It's funny. It's a number one direct competitor of us wants to call me and talk to me about what to do with a paper account with a couple $1 million right now. It's literally our direct competitor. That's awesome. There's one place that the world goes to, by the way, right? As long as they know about us, obviously, it's American Dream Trading.
Coach, tell them to get a membership.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Help
Yep.
them out.
Get him the diamond.
Yep. Sign up. Sign up today. It's funny. I tell them all the
20,000.
I tell them, listen, I tell them all the time, right? Like I will train them so they can go back and train their people better instead of using their one little silly things that they do. I tell them all the time, right? The one trick pony stuff isn't going to last. They don't understand that. The reason, right, why I would consider us, I don't want to say experts. Only legally I can't say that. But the reason why we are so diversified is because of market changes. Right? We're able to adapt to any market condition where the other groups they cannot. They don't understand. They don't even know anything we're doing in here. It's just crazy. I don't understand it. I saw another kid pop up the other day. He made $1,500 in the last year. He's been trading for like 12 months and is now trying to sell a Discord. What? Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it. American Dream Trading. There's one place. We are your one-stop shop. We've been here for 5.5 years. I've been live every day for 3 years. We have a live show 3 times a day. We have thousands of training videos on YouTube. We have hundreds of thousands of subscribers across all of our channels combined. We lost one of them, which was another 60,000, right? But we're everywhere. We are literally everywhere showing you every day, regular, everyday people, how to do this. Doesn't get any better than that. So I appreciate you all being here. Speaking of that, some of my millionaires that are in the room, I will be contacting you for marketing material very soon. We are going to be able to hide you with anonymous, but I will be getting testimonials from all of you millionaires that are in the room. We'll be talking very soon. Thank you. Nice job. Jared said up over 230% on that Soxel call. Nice job. Love hearing
Good
that.
job.
I love hearing that. That's absolutely impressive. It's incredible. Good job.
I wish that Geico didn't already have the caveman thing, because that would have been perfect marketing for you.
Right? Yeah, I think it's
Because you literally teach your average Joe
Yep,
who didn't know anything about day trading, and you've created millionaires out of like half of them.
that's right. Yeah, average Joe, average Jane, right? We've worked with everybody. No, it's pretty amazing. I know my internet's acting a little flaky, but all walks of life, doesn't matter your background. You do not need to be a financial wizard. You do not need to come in with millions of dollars. None of that is true at all. Come in, empty cup, ready to learn, ready to listen, see what we're doing. Speaking of that right now, before I forget, I'll get to rambling. We have a special going on right now. If you wanted to ever try us out, a regular premium membership, which is normally $125 a month, you can get a $19 offer for 2 weeks right now. 2 weeks, $19. That's going to get you the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, which we've already done, the IPO center. So any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you'll know first. Videos on demand, things like covered calls, cash secured puts, day trading, swing trading, etc. to get you started. And live Zoom sessions that no other company ever has done before. You can be in the room with us. There's 222 people right now. You can ask any question all day long. Nobody does that. $19, 2 weeks. After that, it will renew at its regular rate, which is $125 a month. Trust me, come over, try us out, find out why we are so successful at doing what we do. Come over. It's $19, right? Try us out. If you don't like us, fine. I can tell you this. If you are here every day in those 2 weeks, you will learn more than you've ever learned in your life in stock market education. If you sit with us for 2 weeks, you will learn more than, I don't care if you've been doing this for 30 years, you will learn more in 2 weeks than you have ever learned in your life. Has anybody ever said that before? How many people in this room in the first 2 weeks learned more than you ever knew before, ever, regardless of how many years you've been in the stock market? Open your mics. Let the world know if that's
I
true.
have, Coach.
Yep.
Right here.
2 weeks.
I'm
110%.
here.
Percent.
I
I'm
have.
here,
Sir,
Coach.
100%.
Coach, I literally said after 2 weeks, I have a Series 7, and I literally said after 2 weeks, I never learned any of this stuff.
There you go.
And I still learn every day, which is
Th-
what's even crazier.
Thank you. And by the way, that's Series 7. That's serious stuff, right? He's a financial wizard.
He's a broker.
Yeah,
A
that's
broker saying that.
it, right. And you're not the only one. I've got tons of people in here from Wall Street. We have got a lot of people in here from Wall Street, by the way, which is amazing. I love that. Isn't that crazy, Don? Just some broke, uneducated kid from the ghetto, right? Doing what we're doing in here. Am I right?
That's how it happens. Have you noticed a lot of the millionaires and the gurus that people follow? They have very humble beginnings. So you fit right in line, dude. I mean, seriously, it's like, I don't know what people are expecting, but the realness comes from people that have been there,
It's the
from
hunger.
the struggles.
Yeah, it's that
Yep.
hunger, that deep
Yep.
down hunger to want more. This is why I tell all of you in this room why this is so important. It's that, and this is why we fight so hard for the everyday Joe and Jane that are in the rooms, right? All the Jimmys, the
Yeah.
Bradys, all of, right? Everybody in the room, think about it. All of us regular Joes that did not come from money and power and favoritisms and cash and, the golden goose and trust funds, and we didn't have all that. We had to pull ourselves up and get to work. This is why I said, here at American Dream Trading, I don't care where you come from. I don't care how much education you have. None of this matters inside of this room. I mean, we've got heart surgeons in here, brain surgeons. I know we've got tons of engineers, teachers, people with, masters and doctorates, and we got everybody in this room. But when you come in here, the stock market is different. It is not like anything you've ever done. It's not like preparing for college courses. This will test you in ways that you've never been tested before. You're like, oh, but I've crammed. Yeah, so have I, right? I had over 19 20-ish certifications. I was the highest certified network engineer in the world, by the way, working directly with Microsoft, Novell, right? I had my Master CNE, my MCSE, my MCSE plus I, my CNA, my NNCP, my A plus, Hardware plus. I mean, all of it. MCP plus I had everything, right? I had it all. And like if you put it on my card, it would just go all the way around the thing. Because I wanted more. And when I get involved, I want to be the absolute best that I can be at it. That is why I am forever a student as well as the teacher in this room. I want to forever be better than I was the day before. That's what I expect of all of us in this room. Get better every day at what we're doing in here. $19. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Click the big ginormous buttons that says join our community for free or join our community now, or big old buttons on our webpage. It'll take you to our marketplace. You will see the 125. It'll say trial offer, 14-day trial offer. It's $19. Try us out. See why we're different. If
you're
not,
on YouTube, that link is pinned to the top of the live chat. You ain't gotta look for it.
Thank you. And
You're
and
welcome.
if it, if we're not the place, or you're like, oh, I can't stand this guy's dad jokes anymore, it's not the place for me, that's fine, right? But at least you'll get more information than you've ever had before. You'll have a great starting foundation. In 2 weeks, if you are here every day for 2 weeks, you will have an amazing foundation to at least start your training, right? You will at least have a great start ahead of everybody you know around you. So, now I won't promise that you will be successful because I can't do that. I won't promise that this will be easy because it's not. But I will tell you this. We will give you everything we have. There's no code for it. It's just go to the website. There's no code for it. Go to the website, AmericanDreamTrading.com. You'll see it. It says 14-day trial. Click on the join our Discord or join our free community or whatever the button says. Click on it. It'll take you to the WAP Marketplace, right? That's our third-party company. And click on the one that says Premium. Click on that one that says Premium. You guys will see it in there. All right? Give me 1 second. Super chats are available. They are posted now on the YouTubes. Thank you so much. We are ready to rock and roll. Again, check it out. If you're a little bit newer, or I'm sorry, if you got a little bit more experience and you're ready to upgrade, VIP is where it's at. VIP is literally where it's at. It's obviously more expensive, but you get so much more. You can work with us 12 hours a day. You get those advanced trading videos. You get the TradingView indicators that just requires a subscription to TradingView, but then our 2-minute EWO overlay with our algorithm goes right on top of that. There's so many cool things, right? You guys are going to get all those breakout rooms. There's so much stuff that we're doing in here. Seriously, just try us out. That's all I ask. If you don't want to spend any money, just join the free Discord. It's absolutely 100% free to come to our Discord. And our Discord is clean, it's precise, you can navigate it. You can see the entire education area with ebooks, flashcards, games, terminologies, candlestick patterns, how-to videos. It's all laid out for you. All of it for free on our Discord. Come check it out. Real quick, before we get this live started, we've got about 14 minutes. I want to thank all of our moderators that help me put this amazing show on every single day. Without them, just be a one-man band. You'd still be staring at the back of my head like we did when we started going, what's that guy doing? So thank you to all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Jeffrey, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Mountain Man, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Juan. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, we honor and respect you every single day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you. Real quick, let me play my little 4-minute promo. Thank you. Appreciate the live horns. Let me play my quick promo video, and then we'll get this party started. So everybody just stay tuned. It's just a little quick 4-minute clip, and then we're going to be ready to rock and roll. Give me 1 second. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the first 24 hours you verify your account. You will get an email from us to make sure you verify your account, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on this morning. You'll get the pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and throughout the day. The IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those. Any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos to get you started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc. All inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you, and the Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. If you need us to remote in and help you get your charts, etc. set up, we can do that for you. You'll get weekend training every Saturday at 11 o'clock. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto, futures, or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our futures membership, our regular futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all the futures education, all of the training videos, the futures lounge. The Trading View indicators are actually included
with the futures memberships that start at $250, and of course all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the trading view indicator. Same thing, all the training videos anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24-hour, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those, so you guys make sure you take advantage. And of course, a Diamond Lifetime membership. With that, you get everything. Unlimited, lifetime access, all of our membership services, meaning anything that I create. Platinum's coming up, you'll have access to it. I believe that's going to be $1,000 a month. Diamond, you'll get access to that. It'll just be $20,000. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up.
Thank you, gang. I appreciate that. Thank you for letting me play that. Just needed to know, everybody to know where to go and what to do. Appreciate you. We're doing some marketing stuff behind the scenes. That's the only reason I'm running this $19 special. If I throw up a flash sale, take it, because I have to test some stuff that's going on behind the scenes. I'm going to throw one up right now. Bruno's like, oh crap. I'm going to do one and one only Diamond Lifetime membership for $5K. No payment plan, none of that. We're doing a one-time payment today only. If you want it, open up a help desk ticket or say I want it. We will work with you. First come, first served. One only today. Take it. Appreciate you. If you want it, open your microphone and say it, because you're not going to get that chance. Thank you. Appreciate you. One and one only. First one to grab it gets it. All right. We've got about 7 minutes to the bell. We had some runners this morning. We've got almost 300 people in our Zoom. And did anybody make any money yet in our Zoom?
Yeah.
That's where you open your mics. Let me know. Was one person made money this morning?
Coach, I made a little tiny.
I have, Coach.
Thank you.
I made money.
Good
I
job.
made
some
money.
money.
Good job.
Money
here.
Good job.
Toriano made some money.
Oh, good job. Steven over on TikTok says I want it. Listen, Steven, if you are oh, by the way, moderators, let me know when that's gone so I can close it. If you are over on TikTok and you want it, you have to come to Discord. Just go to our website, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Because we don't even have that on the site, right, Bruno? That does not exist. So what we'll do is, excuse me, in the stock lounge, we're going to post that link right now to get that Diamond Lifetime membership for $5K. We'll post it in the stock lounge right now. Unless it's already bought. Was it just bought? Hold on, I think it might have just got bought. Nope, never mind. That's the $19. Okay. Amelfi, welcome. Dylan, welcome. Elo, welcome. Elder, welcome. Good to have you here. These are our new $19 2-week trial members. Thank you for being here. If you guys have any questions at all, please make sure you ask in any lounge. Excuse me. When is our next onboarding class, moderators?
Tomorrow at 12:30.
And what is the best way for all of our members to find out every event that's going on here?
Go to the calendar on Discord. It'll tell you every single event. There's 12 listed right now.
There you go. So on Discord, if you guys go into the upper left-hand corner, it will say 12 events. It looks like a calendar icon. If you click on that, it'll tell you every single thing we're doing throughout every single day, so you don't miss anything. Thank you. Hey, Amelfi, I see you over there on TikTok. We saw you just signed up for that $19 2-week trial. Good to have you here. Thank you so much. There it is. Bruno just posted that last one time Diamond 5K. We're just gonna test. We got to test the back end. The whole back end of our system completely changed again. There you go. There's your one shot. Merry Christmas. All the things. All right. Today, of course, I will be trading futures live in front of your face with a real live account like I do every single day. If I'm ever trading a prop firm, simulated cash, I'll let you know. Not that it matters, because who cares what I'm doing. Here's the other thing, and I want you guys to know this while you are watching, because this is something different. I am the only stock market trainer that it doesn't matter what I am doing with my account. My only job is to get you where you need to go. It's not my trading. It's not how many bands is the coach making today. Nobody cares. Nobody. If your trainer, mentor, only cares about how much money they are making in the stock market, that is time that is not spent with you, showing you how to get to where you need to go. Now, will I trade live? And some days I trade more than others? Yes, because I think it's good for training. It's good to keep my head in the game. But honestly, I could sit here and never trade again a day in my life, because my job is a full-time trainer, not a full-time trader. I hope you understand that, right? My job is to get you where you need to go. That's it. So you will see me so many times calling something out, making sure you guys are doing the right things. And I won't even be in the damn trade, right? The whole time. Again, my job is to get you to the right places, doing the right things. Speaking of the right place, the right thing, real quick, legal, American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, or anybody else associated with us, none of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Make sure you follow all the rules. Don't lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. Make sure you are paper trading, simulate trading while you are in training with us, please. There's no reason to give up your real money while you are in training. I promise you, there's no reason to do that. I don't want to hear what the kids at TikTok are saying about got to have skin in the game and all that. No, you don't. No, you don't at all. Not at all. That's why they're not successful. That's why their groups are not successful. That's why their communities are not successful. None of that. If you follow these rules, you'll be so much farther ahead, right? Journal each and every day. Stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of shares, options, crypto, or futures. No exceptions to any of my rules, ever. Do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day if you're a new trader. If you're an experienced trader, please be careful the first 3 minutes and the last 8 minutes of the day. That's when the algo bots go nutty, right? Please be careful. Go in with small position sizes. This will allow you, listen, I say it every day when you guys block me out because I say it every day. Listen to the sound of my voice now. If you go in with small position sizes, it will allow the runners to run, meaning let it go, make you more money, and stop out the losers, meaning you won't take that big of a loss because you're in smaller. And I know you guys are like, I hear it's twice a day. I hear he just says it twice a day. And you're not doing it though. You need to actually listen, apply, and execute. Today, you will do that. 15 seconds to the bell. 15 seconds to the bell. Let's kick some butt today. Nobody go rogue. Make sure we have good, clear call outs. Let's have a lot of energy. Don't keep calling the same thing out to the moon. 2-minute
Amazon
EWO.
Yellow Day and it's looking good.
Nana. Literally. Nana.
What?
Stop it.
Below pre-market level. To the
the
downside.
market just
By the time
opened
I said
while
that,
I was
switched.
talking. Nana, you're killing me. Stop it.
Tesla above pre-market level to the upside.
All right, here we go. Everybody, let's rock and roll. Now remember, SPY right now is sitting on close of day yesterday, 20 cents away. So we're going to be watching for support right around the 637. That is close of day, very close to close of day yesterday. Everybody be cool in this area, all right? Apple is on its second 2-minute EWO to the downside.
Tesla first green EWO.
Thank you. SPY still pulling here, looking for to come down about 14 more cents for support. Pre-market low is at 636.79. Now, if the market rebounds today and has a nice day, I want you guys to pay attention to crypto. Mara, Riot, SOS, MSTR, and Coin. Bitcoin last night hit $122,000. Just remember, it follows the market pretty much almost always. Not necessarily will be, but typically it follows the market. Yes, we trade and train on crypto here as well. Make sure you guys check that out if you're interested in crypto. We have an entire crypto training and trading area as well. Same with futures. All right, here we go. Now SPY is going from green to red. It's sitting on support right here, ladies and gentlemen. Yes?
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Let's see if we're going to get a little bit of a bounce here. Otherwise, we're going to be watching for a pull. Watching to see if we'll get a bounce on this level, or again, if we're going to break below that 637. Heavy, heavy, heavy.
Hughes also looking to find support at 574.
Thank you. Looking to see if we're going to get a little bit of a pop here so I can protect this trade, but this is a bounce area if it's going to bounce. Doesn't mean it's going to, but this is where we're watching. We've got two areas here, 637 and 636.78. It could fill that before it bounces. Yep, pulled back, watching 637. Still in this bounce zone. If it fills this up and stays here, I'll be looking for that 636.78. Still got a little bit. See if we can stay down in this gap. I'll have to adjust my stops. Might be a little tight at 10. In fact, I know that's too tight. Sitting in this range. Need to get this out of my way. That one bounced. So it found 636.88 and bounced. We were 10 cents off, right? Now watching to see what it's going to do here. Still heavy on SPY. Apple still to the downside. Q's still to the downside. Could gap down to 573.55. SPY with a nice bounce off that pre-market low, 636.78. Off by 10 cents on the bounce, right, gang? It's nice. I did not execute it well twice, so I got burned twice off of it. One was my short that popped up. And then, or no, one was my long that popped up, got stopped out. And then the other was a short because I was looking for it to come down a little bit more. And then, of course, it got stopped out. That's what those stops are for, gang.
So interesting, Coach. The Qs did also that same 10-cent difference you mentioned.
Yep.
Went down to 573.90 instead of 574.
Yep. Spy with that. Look at that beautiful bounce. Did we call that or what, ladies and gentlemen? Pre-market bounce, right?
Yep, and Bitcoin's
Yeah.
going right with it, just like you said.
Good
And
job.
at a precise spot, too.
Yep. Nice work, everybody. Good job.
NVIDIA second red EW.
Thank you. Apple.
Don't come here if you don't want to make money.
That's right. Apple 2-minute EWO still to the downside. Apple getting paid nicely here. Tesla 341.37 is the resistance on Tesla. Hit it 4 times, looking for a break. So we'll say 341.50. You're waiting for a break and hold on that. Who got on that SPY double bottom bounce? Talk to me.
I did, Coach, on ES.
Nice job, right? Remember I said 637 or 636.78. It hit 636.88 and bounced. Can't get any closer than that, right? Right in that
Coach,
range.
what you have taught us is incredible.
Thank you. Good job. And if you're executing on it and not just sitting there, you're doing some amazing things, right?
Well, you
All
taught me to
positions
get
for
it.
the win.
You
Right.
taught me to get in early for the double bottom, and I got in early, and boom, what do you know?
Love you. Have a great day.
I love you.
Bought a put on Friday night right before closing on Apple.
Oh, nice job. Because of that, since since the big rip, everybody right collecting profits.
100%.
Hell yeah.
Good job.
What a genius. What a genius. Good job. Yeah, Apple just getting crushed. That put must be looking real juicy. Good job.
Qs are testing VWAP now.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Good job. SPY is now above the 9. Dancing here on the 21. Looking to see if that can break and go long now. Right here. See if we get a pop to the upside. I'd like to see SPY come up now and test this 637.80. Everybody see that? Okay, good. Glad to hear it. Glad we're all on the same page with that. Nice work.
Hey, great advice, Coach. We love you.
Thank you. Love your faces.
I
Remember,
got you.
if you get in the trade above the 9, your stop should be where? Just below the what?
Nah.
There you go. Now if this had the 21 as a backbone below that and it was close enough, I would use that as my stop, right? Looking nice. We're at 56.60, 637.60. See if we can get closer to this 637.80. That's what we're looking for. See if this can stay. Don't have too tight of a stop on that 9, right? You don't want to get wicked out. You got to have a little bit of room. Looking to see if we'll get a bounce here or not. It's heavy, heavy. Come on. What you going to do? Let's see if we can get a bounce here. Those candles do not look like a bounce candle. Nope. Could not hold.
Coach, I think you caught VWAP on a 2-minute chart right there.
Oh, did I? Yeah. Well, I saw the 55 up there, right? I knew we were going to run into a little bit of trouble. We were 20 cents off. It hit 60. I wanted it to get to 80, right? I was hoping I had a little bit more gas in the tank, but it is what it is. Definitely in the chop zone here. It's still fighting, man. SPY is now, again, 5 cents away from close of day Friday. 637 and 636.78 if it can't hold here.
It's really in a tough spot right now.
It is. It's. Remember, though, it did this the last couple days. Remember? It go up and then down and then up and then down and staying actually in this weird smaller channel for the first 20 minutes, right?
Yeah.
So.
I'm just waiting patiently.
There goes the pop, right? I just have my stop a little too tight, but it's what it is. Yeah, what do I got? 10? This should be more about 16 probably. 16 to 20-ish on my ticks on that. There it is. There's that push again, testing the same spot as last time, that 60 area. Looking to fill the gap of 637.80. Getting a nice push now. Yep, I got stopped out again. It did exactly what we wanted. Bounced off the 9. What did we hit this time? 68. It's really trying up there, isn't it, gang? It's working, working, working.
AMD new high of the day.
Thank you. That means to look at Soxel, right? When you hear somebody say that? Am I right?
Yes, coach.
Soxel up 4% today for small and mid size accounts. Soxel 4%. Good job. Wow, we got a lot of viewers in here today. Thank you everybody for watching the live. Usually we don't get that many people while I'm in the truck because the internet's kind of up, down, and people, I understand. I already know it. Thank you though for being here. Oh, we just filled that 637.80. Did everybody see it?
Yes, coach.
Yes, coach, I'm in it.
Nice job. Oh my gosh, I was over here. I got excited about seeing how many live viewers we had, and I missed that double top. Please tell me somebody got that, right? It was off by 4 cents. 4 cents.
In my paper account.
Nice job. That's how it starts, right? Get your head together in there.
Recording in progress.
Oh, thank you. Completely forgot about that. Thank you. If we need to pull content, anything we missed, which there really wasn't anything super exciting, but if that ever happens, just pull it off the YouTube feed, right? There goes that nice double top pullback. Anybody in that short off that top? That was beautiful.
Use also mirroring the same at
NVIDIA went from
575.20
new high.
resistance.
Thank you. Good job, Richard. Thank you, Nana.
Tesla touching the 341.47 resistance for the 5th time.
Oh, wow. Let's take a peek. Oh, yeah. And that, listen, Tesla has so much momentum. So much upside momentum here. You're going to see absolute redonkulous new when Tesla's hitting 350 because that was such a magic number for people's head. There it goes. Tesla 342. Bye-bye. Thing's gone. See ya. Staying
Taking
up.
off.
Yep, staying up tall. Looking absolutely glorious. Nice job. Everybody's like, "Oh, that's great. It's your break even from a year and a half ago." Let me explain something to you. If you were a part of American Dream Trading, what would you have been doing for the whole year and a half with these Tesla shares? What would you have been doing?
Covered calls.
That's right. So wouldn't you be making ass loads of money the whole time it's doing that while it's just breaking even? Yerp.
You would hope they would.
Yep. So think about it. So while the rest of the world's like, "Well, yeah, but now it's back where I bought it," and you're like, "Yeah, but I've already made hundreds of thousands of dollars while it was in this channel of up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down," right? That's the American Dream Trading difference. And because everybody in my room hedges, you were making money while it was going down, offsetting the loss you would have normally had while it was going down. Am I right? So you were pocketing money while the market was dipping. It's just, goodness gracious. Well, I don't know why they make so much money at American Dream Trading. Tune in. We're here every day, getting it done.
Use first 2-minute EWO.
Thank you.
To the
Spy.
green.
Spy touched VWAP twice. Cannot get past 637.80 yet. So gang on Spy, your channel right now, I mean, there's obviously 3, but I want you to know top and bottom. You're 637.80 to 636.80. I'll make it, I just set it to make it look nice. So if I'm looking for an A+ trade setup, downside 636.80, not financial tax or investment advice, something that I would be looking at. Let me blow this up. If I was looking at the upside, typically I would say 637.80. I cannot anymore. Can anybody tell me why I can no longer use 637.80 at this juncture in time? Can you tell me why now? Tell me now.
The media
The
scrolls.
new resistance level at the close of the last candle.
Because the 200 is literally 20 cents away from it. See it? You see that 200 sitting there? Ready to slap that right back down, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I was looking at a 637.80 earlier because the 200 wasn't there yet, now I've got to move that a little bit because the 200 is so close. I don't want to be trying to go long into the second highest level of resistance on the day, right?
That's right.
There you go. If only there were one place that would train you on that, you too would know what to do and why and how.
Could that be AmericanDreamTrading.com?
Yes. Yes, I need marks.com. By the way, I love that. It's on our it's on a lot of our like YouTube shorts and stuff. I love hearing it. It's so cool.
He does it
You
so
like
well.
that?
Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. .com.
Look, I made it
Congratulations.
for Doug, right? But I stole it.
Yeah, don't
Congratulations.
yeah, go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead, Bruno.
Congratulations to Steven on his new diamond membership.
Oh, nice job.
Sorry.
Did he scoop that one up?
He did.
All right,
That
that's
was
it.
from
Thank you. That's gone. The diamond's gone. Thank you.
Meta second ready W.
Thank you. Good job. Nice.
See
By
how
the
fast that went? Coach, I
oh,
think you should put one more out there.
I don't think so.
One more.
I don't think
Look
so.
how fast that went.
I don't care.
They won it.
I don't like it.
They won it.
It's a terrible business model.
It is because you're giving away the farm
Yeah, I
for
don't
like
like
next
it.
to nothing.
I don't like it. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Listen.
Bruno's probably cussing me out.
Yeah. Don't tell Mark that I like him saying the .com. Okay? Nobody
It's too late.
tell
He
him.
knows.
Nobody tell him.
No.
God
Okay?
forbid.
Nobody
knows.
tell him. Nothing good ever comes out of Ohio, and he knows it. You understand me?
You know he's probably listening to you.
Oh, damn it. He might be. By the way, any of you that are in Ohio, don't be freaking out. It's because I'm from Michigan, tried and true, right? 45 years, so don't be freaking out on me. It's a Michigan, Ohio thing.
Dude, speaking of Michigan, Coach, are you down with Midlife Stockman? Do you know him?
No.
Oh man, he's a
mate.
guy that's in Michigan, right?
Yeah.
It goes around and cleans people's lawns for free.
Oh,
Like
yeah,
he
yeah,
just
yeah,
cleans.
yes.
Dude, he is amazing.
Yes, I
Isn't he?
love that. Yes, I love that. Yeah, he's got an awesome TikTok. Yep, I love that. There's something therapeutic about watching somebody mow and weed whack
Especially
and
when
It's
it's all
clean.
sped up.
ASMR.
Yeah,
When it's sped up like 300%
yeah,
or whatever.
yeah. Yeah, the before
I
and
don't want to.
after.
Go ahead,
Yeah.
Coach.
Yes, love it.
I don't want to say that's another bad business model if you're cutting lawns for free.
Yeah. Well, it's
No,
good.
this guy,
It's a marketing genius thing because it's marketing his business.
it is. And he gets all kinds of equipment,
Oh
people
yeah.
coming out of the woodwork to help
People,
him now.
yep, donating money for the cause. Hey, I'll throw in, $20. Thank you. That was great.
Yeah.
Yep.
He's cleaning up areas of the city that the city hasn't touched. I mean, abandoned houses that have trees literally consuming
Oh
them.
yeah.
He's going in one man
Yes.
show and wiping all that crap out.
Absolutely. Right here, 637, not to cut you off, but 637 right here.
think this is the yank before a pushback?
Somebody want
Here's
to
the
kill
thing,
those
man.
mics? Here, I got him. 637, remember, we're looking for the break and hold of 636.80, yes?
Yes, coach.
Thank you. After that, I'm looking for 636. That is our A plus setup. Break and hold, 636.80. Next level, 636.16. So I'd love to see this gap down. I will hammer that turd. Can you hammer a turd? I don't know.
If you
I
want to
got
make
a level at
get some on you.
636.67, coach.
Yeah. My level is 636.80. We want to get below that, right? So a break and hold below
Right, yeah, that's the same.
636.80. Yep.
You can hammer a turd. You probably wouldn't want to, though.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't recommend it.
Maybe
Pretty
it's been
messy.
in the sun a while.
Be like a Gallagher moment.
Yeah, Gallagher, really. Like he used to smash the watermelons and stuff.
Yep.
Notice right here, SPY did a bounce exactly again at 636.88. You see it?
Yep,
That's
coach.
the thing that I love about Spy. It's always hits its low.
It tries. It definitely tries,
Yeah.
doesn't it? Yep. Oh no. Mark says, quit talking about me over on our TikTok live.
I told you.
Yeah, that's so funny. Look at that bounce on SPY, gang. In that same exact spot again, right? Same spot. Double bottom bounce. Boing. See it? It's glorious.
Hey, Coach, check the chart on Lily, LLY.
Oh my. Oh, that's nice, isn't it, partner?
I
That's
mean, that's your favorite trade, right? Double
Pull up
bottom,
like
double top.
pull up like a 5 minute or, I mean, it's been hammered, but now it's trying to
yeah.
come off the bottom a little.
Yeah, nice job. That's just such a high price stock now, right? It's crazy. Yes,
Less
Nana.
shares.
Yep, absolutely. You're right, Nana. It
Thanks,
is.
Coach.
You got it. So, Nana, we hit the 637.80 double top. We hit the 636.80 double bottom, didn't we?
Yep.
Good job. Everybody crushing. Anybody making any money yet today?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, coach. Yes, coach.
Good job. All right, here we go again. It's tried to do this every time it pops this 9. It tries to come back up to that 80 level again. It's done this several times. And I am not set up for the trade. I was in SPY. Good job. Thank you, everybody, for being here. By the way, today, if we get to 300 concurrent viewers over on TikTok, I'll give away $100 cash. How's that sound? Get you started on your trading journey. Appreciate you. By the way, don't forget, $19 2-week trial with us, AmericanDreamTrading.com. You can get into our premium membership. You'll be in here with the other 350 people right now. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center. You will get live training with us from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. 2 minutes to shift change. 2 minutes to shift change. Two minutes. Good job. One of our members is up right now. 19,247 and 10 cents. Nice job. Nice work. Again, congratulations to Steven on your Diamond Lifetime membership. And Amalfi, last one that got the $19 2-week trial. Nice job. Congratulations. We look forward to working with you. Tomorrow at 12:30 Eastern, onboarding class, live onboarding. Make sure you join it if you can. If you need help at any time, by the way, ask in any lounge. Say, I need help. Remember, we will never friend request you. We will never direct message you. We will never say we're going to trade for you. We'll never ask how your trading is going. None of that exists, right? None of that exists.
And real quick, let me just jump in there and say you will receive a welcome email. And make sure you follow those instructions in the welcome email. Go over all the things. If you're trying to get into the Zoom call and you fail, it's because you have to register for Zoom or a Zoom account on zoom.com before doing that. And just also another FYI, I am watching you when you come in here on a trial and you start blocking our emailer. I'm going to be looking at your account as well because you shouldn't be blocking any communications from us if you are a paid member because it has important details in there. So that raises a red flag for me. So just an FYI.
Thank you. Yep. And I'm always looking at locations where they came from, your names, the pictures, if you've changed your name. I also look at everything as far as how long you've been a member of community. We go into everything, how many other programs you're in, right? I check your addresses. I check your locations. I check your IP address. I look at how close you are to your bank that you bought from to know if it was you or if you're trying to sneak through VPNs, gang. That's the beauty, right, of me being in IT for 30 plus years. And by the way, I have an entire banking background. That's all I did, right, for the last decade in IT is all banking, financial background, security, right? Government security, FBI, police departments, all the tie-ins, everything. You're not getting away with nothing. You're in the wrong place at the wrong time. Don't be playing around. No games. I will get you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Don't try to outsmart the system. You will get
You know
smoked.
I'm back here cracking up,
Yeah,
right?
you will
And then
get
you hit him with the
smoked.
appreciate you.
You will get smoked. Ask Bruno. I've had people try to do weird credit card stuff. I've got screenshots of where they live. I've taken screenshots of their house. I've called their bank. I tell them where they live. I show them exactly who they are with photos of the people. I show them everything there is, and the bank goes, denied. I'm like, there you go. Thanks. Well, that wasn't me. I'm like, really? I see it at your house at this time. This computer. Oh, you did that on your phone. I can see that. Oh, I see you live 1.14 miles from your credit union. This is your house. This is your bank. Let me call your representative and help you out. Don't mess with me, people. Just don't do it. I'm not a child. Thank you. Here we go, pushing up on that 637.80 we discussed earlier. You will be looking for the break and hold, though, of what?
The 200.
Thank you.
200.
Thank you. Don't try to be a hero. Coach, I'm going to get into it 12 cents early because I don't want to listen to the sound of your voice and because it's had 8 candles to the upside and I don't want to listen to you at all, old man. Okay. It's your life.
You guys need to
If we are
realize
in it,
Coach
it's the
is.
double bottom.
Go ahead,
You
Richard.
guys need to realize Coach is so advanced he can tell when people are on Mark's lawn.
Oh, yeah, I'll know it immediately. His steer link alarm will go off. Oh, look at this pullback. What did I say? What did I say? Huh?
You
Now,
called it.
yep.
It's NVIDIA, you just pull back, that's why.
Puts at resistance, calls at support.
There you go. Now, whose life did I save? Seriously, because some of you are like, I'm going to do it early anyways because this is the 3rd attempt and I think I'm smarter than the stock market and I have a PhD and a doctorate and I'm a neurosurgeon pathway at the clinic up. I don't give a rat's ass.
Thank you, Coach.
You're welcome. I've been
I
using
think I've been to that clinic before.
I've been using the rat's ass ever since my old man passed away. It's like because it brought all that up, and I like it. It's one of my favorite things. It was terrible when he'd say it to my face, but now it applies to everything in life. Hey man, is it cool if my buddy Brownie stays the night? I don't give a rat's ass. Okay.
You have channeled your father. He's in there.
It's in there. Yep, it's in there. Good, bad, or indifferent, right? It's your upbringing. Oh, look at this. Oh man, tell me I didn't save some lives here, right? Woo!
And Richard, you're being a Richard.
Oh, snap.
Thank you.
So thank you. Appreciate you. Look at that. Look at it hit. So SPY hit 637.81, right? 5 cents away from the 200 and then all the way back to VWAP. See it?
Yes, Coach.
That is a triple top pullback. Puts or shorts on resistance. calls are long on support. Never ever mess with this. It's science. It's just science. Right? So everybody be cool. Speaking of being cool, I'm gonna have to run over here and use this restroom real quick. I've already drank like half that Diet Coke. My wife snuck over here while we were live, by the way, super early, brought me this ginormous big gulp. I've also halfway done through this through my coffee. I'm over here doing the pee dance. So, moderators take control for a minute. I'm gonna leave all the systems up. TikTok, I'll leave you guys up too.
You don't have a toilet in the Tesla? You
No,
got everything in that thing.
you know what? Damn it! Next, that's to be the next thing I do.
Okay, yeah, you got everything in there.
I'll
You got
just
a
make sure
fridge and
to mute it so you guys don't hear the tinkling.
right.
They're like, "What's he doing?" And then the big flush.
That's probably a really good idea.
Like,
using the Tesla, using
yeah.
the Tesla catheter.
Yeah, right. You'll just hear like tinkle, tinkle. I'll be like, what? Damn protein shake. Oh, and then I'll be like, my bad. Am I live?
Yeah.
They're like, did I have that microphone open?
Yeah, permission to hit the flush anytime we're at double tops.
Yeah. Right. So if you guys are watching on the backup account, American Dream Trading Inc., I'll come right back and we'll go live in a minute. Everybody else, I'm just going to kill the video feed, but I'll be right back. I'll leave this on. Moderators, you have control of the board. Thank you.
AMD new high of the day.
And again, just as a warning, even though you see on the chart the super trend green up, it needs to break that ceiling and that 200 that's just above. Otherwise, your risk is much higher than your reward. Thank you.
We should be thanking you, Richard.
I've taken the screen while coach is gone here. This is the cues, and you can see how they're breaking above the ceiling here. The setup is beautiful. The 9, the 21, the 55 VWAP. It's all in the right direction, and boom, there she goes.
Apple's starting to retrace itself back to the upside.
Watch for the ceiling at 575.75. You can see it back here. That's resistance. To continue, we need to break and hold. And then coach can have a screen back. Thank you.
Check.
We're with you. Oh, look at
Thank
that. It's now test that. There you go.
All right.
Above the ceiling and the 200.
So there we are.
Gotta
Yep.
hold.
We're at the 200. We got to have a break and hold here, everybody, right?
Yep.
Don't get crazy on me. We've got to have the hold with it.
Especially it's trying to form an EWO right now. It's tough one.
Oh, it's looking looking much better. It's looking
Yep.
really, yeah, it's looking juicy now.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, baby. Get up there.
If Apple could pop, it will help a lot.
Yep. So it stopped at 637.94. So guess what? 638 is our level on SPY. Everybody see it? That's where we want. 638. It gave it to us. It told us, it said, hey, I'm trying to break 94 here, which is 638, and I'm not there yet, right? Look at that. To break and what?
Pull back.
Hold. Break and
Oh, baby,
Yeah,
hold.
I mean it's
hold.
pulling back right now.
That's
It tried
right.
to break and
Crash,
pull back.
Yep.
crashing to the hill.
Yep. Did everybody wait for the break and hold?
Hold.
But coach, I thought I'm a chiropractor. I've got 16 locations. I'm a
Hey, did we
millionaire.
just harmonize on that hold?
Yes. Nice.
And the spies of vertebrae at the third location needed adjustment. Back.
Yep. On the 21 backbone. Listen, I'm just saying the market doesn't give a shit about your credentials. It does not give. It just doesn't care. It doesn't
No.
care. This is not like anything you've ever done in your life, ever. I don't care what background you come from. I don't care how smart you are, but I've got 163 IQ. It doesn't matter, genius. I got pig farmers in here doing $30 million. Am I right? Am I telling the truth?
Absolutely.
Yes.
And by the way, there's nothing wrong with pig farming. I'm just saying, we're not all rocket scientists.
There's rocket scientists that can't do it.
Exactly. There's rocket scientists that would love to get paid what we're getting paid to do this.
This is looking nice.
Yeah, waiting.
Other way.
We're on VWAP. Tesla's still staying up there strong. I see Tesla's support is around 338.20. So 338 is what you're looking for support over there. Right there.
And
Yes.
And just
Let me click
FYI, why coach
339 support on Tesla.
Thank you. Go ahead, Richard.
and just to verify what coach was gone, the Qs did fail also at that 575.75.
Oh, nice. There goes SPY. It actually broke. Did it hold though? It didn't, coach. Too early. It was not a break and hold below VWAP. I got excited. I'm like, oh, it's pulling, but it's bounced on VWAP every time. So Don't get faked out like the old man did right there. Be careful.
Especially if you look at the big seven, they're not really pulling. So it's like, what are you doing, Spy?
Yep.
It's so weird.
Yep.
I'm having the same problem with the cues. Make a decision.
Yeah, remember what I said, that first 20, 30 minutes, man, it's like, now moving into 45 minutes, but it's this weird area of it isn't decided to go anywhere yet. It hasn't dropped out, and it's still at close of previous day right now, isn't it? No
$1
decision.
consolidation.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
Palm's in here. Palm's in the house. Woot woot. Good to have you in here, buddy.
Yeah, just a quick note. F2, one of your members, has been posting in the Zoom chat. I think he's up close to 30K in about a week's time.
Yes, F2, who went from struggling as a trader to wanting to give up to now at close to $30,000 in a week. Hell of a return. Good job. That's why I tell you guys every day, don't give up. Don't quit. Don't do it. You could be right there. You could literally be right there, right?
He is just a picture of persistence.
Yep, I love it. Oh, look at it. Look at that bounce off of VWAP. What a crazy spike.
Yeah, and it was like a very fast candle too.
Yep.
Poof.
Yep. Out of nowhere. Hit my stop so quick. Boom. It touched it touched 637.80 and stopped, didn't it? Look at it.
I took my profit when it hit the 200 earlier, and I'm like, okay, I'm just waiting now.
Right. So Palm, I don't know if you were in here early, but we're realistically, right, the great trade is above the 638 or below the 636.80-ish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've been in since pre-bell. I've just been quiet.
Okay. Everything else just, well, then you've been listening to me. Everything else just kind of choppy chop soup.
Yeah, the $1 range is just consolidation. It doesn't know what to do, like you
Yep.
said.
Yep. It's in the grinder. It's in the meat grinder right now.
I want to see Tesla new high so bad right now. It would look so good.
Yeah, it's trying.
It's trying.
SPY again bounced off VWAP here, back up to the 200. Same thing over and over and over and over and over. You can either trade in these channels or just be patient and wait for the bigger move, right?
Yep.
That is correct.
AMD new high day.
Thank you. Yes, AMD is just beautiful. Soxel still holding up at 3.6%. It did hit 4% earlier. Support at 26.50. You want it to stay above that 26.50 on Soxel. SPY retesting this 200 range again.
NVIDIA is forming a double top right now,
Thank you.
which is a good sign.
Yep, SPY needs to break and hold 638 to make the next move to the upside, right? Everybody, the break and what?
Hold.
Thank you.
Hold.
Thank you.
Hold.
Thank you.
Hold.
Thank
It
you.
needs to smash its way across. None of this tippy toe shit. Otherwise, it's just channeling.
I agree. Yeah, I'd love to see a giant candle pop. Otherwise, we're still up here, dancing in the same range. I swear it's pulled back every single time.
Coach, can you take a look at NVDA? Is that a triple top?
NVIDIA, yes, it was, because I just heard somebody else talk about it. Yep.
Yeah, I just see that.
Yeah, you're going to want to watch this 183.20 pre-market high area. See it? Post-market.
Yes.
Yeah, post-market. Post-market. from Friday, but that's what it's looking at. There's your 638 pullback again. Over here on SPY. You guys were ready for it that time, though, weren't you?
Yepers.
So a thing that is very cool to watch is like NVIDIA is on the double top, right? Pulled back and it took SPY with it.
Yeah, and and honestly, when it starts doing that, if you look at the overall market, a lot of them will do that. There will be a lot of them that are in that same area, right?
Yeah, and that is pretty cool because it's like having an extra indicator.
That is why I will always take another stock to go with it. I always try to get one of the Mag 7, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it has more weight for SPY, and I try to use that to go along with SPY to kind of give me a prediction, indication, or another level of what I'm seeing. This, by the way, is why I have always had Apple next to SPY. Can anybody tell me why Apple out of all of them?
Because it has the most percentage on
That
SPY, I think.
that is correct. So it
And
has the most weight, right?
Tesla is on the double top.
That's why I always have Apple next to SPY. Just so you guys know.
Apple influences SPY most, they are more than any other security that's given its input to SPY, is what you're saying?
That is correct. It's got the most weight. It's like 8% of the total of SPY.
I gotcha. I've been up for 2 hours and I'm still fucking stuttering and thinking and all the other stuff.
That's $5 in the jar.
Yeah, that's $26 in the jar. Good morning, sunshine. That's $28 in the tip jar.
I won't get my ice cream from McDonald's today at $26.
We hear you though.
Hey coach, look at Tesla. It's on the double top. It could.
Thank you.
Make you
Real quick news flash. Ready? Richard,
sir.
thank you over there on TikTok. I forgot about that. Trump is about to speak, right?
That is correct.
So
He always
everybody
comes in late.
Yes, yeah, it's supposed to be 10 o'clock, I thought. Everybody in the room, listen to the sound of my voice right now. Are you listening to me?
Yes.
Make sure you have your stops in. Make sure you are in with smaller position sizes in case the stops get ripped through it and doesn't sell at or even near your stop. When anybody that is about to speak like this comes up, the algorithm is going to pick up. And this, by the way, is over the overseas conflict that I can't say on here with buzzwords. So, watch the market. This, by the way, is another reason why it is so skittish. Same with you, Palm. Be especially careful, right? This is really dangerous on this one.
Oh, yeah.
So
this is why Coach always says events overrun technicals. Be careful.
That's right. Yeah, news will always override technical analysis, gang. I promise you, always. You can take all these lines on your screen and use the old Etch-a-Sketch and wipe them all out, because as soon as news comes up, one way or the other, right? Doesn't matter.
The old Etch-a-Sketch trading chart. That's awesome. I love
Shake it clean, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this pullback off that. See, again, it never broke 638. All the way back down to VWAP. Now, typically, this is where it's bounced. 637.80. It's bounced every time right here. If you guys go back and look at your time, your historical information, this is where it bounces every single time. But we have a news event. All of this terminated. Everybody have your stops in place, please. Yeah, it's just consolidating PR. I'm with you right there. I agree. It's literally it's just choppy chop. And this is an undecided market.
There we go.
And we don't know. Yep, there goes a break. And we don't know
And
what
for
it's going to
those
do. So,
and for those of you who are listening for free and trying to evaluate whether you want to join this amazing company, just think about for $19 for 2 weeks, you get to listen to Coach's voice, get to listen to the other moderators teaching key points to make you successful for $19. Go over, join now.
thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, $19 2-week trial. $19 2-week trial on our premium membership, which is typically $125 a month. Which is
Do it before
hell
Coach
of a deal.
comes to his senses.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, until I don't have to worry. We're just testing the marketing back end. So as soon as I'm done testing, that's why we did the one diamond today, and I'll throw up a VIP later today if I have to. We're just testing the back end to make sure all the checkouts are working. So you guys are getting deals while we're testing stuff. That's all it is, because the entire marketplace changed again on us. Everybody be cool. We're in this new area. Typically, when we get it down into this channel, it tries to ride down to the 637. I've got a really loose stop, letting it work. Remember though, news at any point, we don't know what it's going to do. And what I please always remember with news events, the algo will pick something up and it could drop drastically and then within a minute go right back to where it was, or vice versa. You don't know. So whatever the instant reaction is not necessarily where it's going to stay. How many times have we seen a news reaction and it like crashes and we're like, yeah, and then within 3 minutes it's making new highs and you're like, wait a minute, right?
NVIDIA new high.
Thank you.
On Fed meeting, we will see there will be a big candle, for example, like super red all of a sudden, and then turn green and go in the other direction in like 5 seconds.
That's right.
Crazy.
Nvidia broke that 183.20. Everybody see it? Remember how we had that marked?
Yes, coach.
Soxel, looking good. I told you as long as it stayed above 26.50, which it did, still to the upside, right? How do you sign up? Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You'll see giant buttons everywhere. Join our community now. Click. If you want the $19 offer, once you click that, it'll take you to our marketplace. It says premium membership, and it will say 2-week trial, 14-day trial, $19. That's the one you're looking for, okay? As soon as that happens and you come over here, you're going to have immediate instant access. There's 341 people in here. Make sure you register with Zoom. So you have to go to zoom.com to register. Make sure you're registered and you can get access. Soxel staying up nice and tall over here. Tesla pushed up on that 343.26 again. Tesla hit a double top pullback. Everybody see that on Tesla? Double top pullback. Look how perfect that looks. Everybody see it? Now, this is a news event going to a 5-minute candle. The reason I do that is because if this candle goes crazy, it will go way beyond my chart. We'll see a 1-minute candle move, right? So if I'm at least in a 5, 10, or a 15-minute, and this thing has a knee-jerk reaction one way or the other, I'll be able to put my stop in because I'll be able to see it on my chart. Makes sense?
Yes, coach.
So this is why you'll see me flip this. Think about it. Now I can move this stop all the way down to 6401 and still see it on my screen in a 5-minute. If I wanted more, I go to a 10 or a 15. Because if the news happens, I can grab this and go BAM! Right? $1,000. Well, this would be, if it dropped that low, I'd make about $4,000. 3,000, 3 to 4,000. Waiting. Must not be any news yet. Does anybody know if he's up there speaking yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
Nothing on Fox.
Thank you. Can tell you right now, you're going to also, if you guys are trading futures, you're going to watch oil. Mark, if you can hear me. Oil on this news event.
I got it, coach.
Thank you. It'll be a massive mover. Massive on this event.
Hey, sir, is now a good time to pick your brain about this oil?
Good time to pick a brain about what? Watch the buzzwords. You didn't say WAR, right?
No, OIL, oil.
Oh, okay.
Hey, so a couple of weeks ago, oil didn't do what it was supposed to because technology was far faster than the recent year's news, right? So, is that any indication of what oil could do in the future
All right.
compared to like what it used to do in the '90s and whatnot? Go ahead, sir.
No. I'm trying to figure out what you're saying. I missed what. What do you
So,
mean?
like back in the '80s, '90s, 2000s, something stupid would happen. Oil would take off for 5-6 weeks, right? So about 2 weeks ago, it only did it for like 6 hours. Is that going to be the future, you think, with technology and communication?
No, it just depends. I mean, think about it. When we have global conflicts, which is the majority of reason why oil moves, right? This is the major reason. If pipelines change, if they stop fracking, how many reserve, right? How many barrels they'll open up, they all have a long-term effect. So it might be short in the interim, but it is a long-term effect, right?
Oh, I got you.
Yeah. Yep. And news events are quick. But the overall, if you look at the overall, it's a much bigger picture, right?
So it's just like looking at that first 30 seconds worth of candle at the bell, essentially, kind of what oil's doing right now. You just got to give it time, let it
Correct.
do what it does.
Yeah, today will be massive, and I mean on a grand scale for oil. There will be a lot of millionaires made.
And fearless leader, Mr. Mark, where'd you say he was?
Yeah, can anybody tell me why I'm saying what I'm saying? Because you guys know, right, that without saying any buzzwords, the person we're talking about, if there's like a peace deal, it's a major situation with their oil, right? That unlocks a lot of oil, am I right?
Huge.
Yeah, so it's hand in hand. That's why I said, anytime you have overseas conflicts, watch oil. I've been saying it forever. Just like, guess what? U.S. economy booms, inflation gets under control, and now it looks like they're going to be forced to lower the interest rates, even though they weren't going to because of the fake job numbers that have been, I guess, pouring in for the last year. They've all been false. That also means that if the dollar goes up, gold goes down. They are pretty much opposite.
And gold is way over its norm.
Way ridiculously stupid, dope, crazy over.
It's so true.
It's so stupid. It's just but topsy-turvy times. Nobody knew what was going on, right? The price of $1 has gone to nothing. And, we had all the craziness with Rona, and we had global economic disasters and businesses closing. And guess what? If nobody can rely on a piece of paper, the dollar, it always goes back to gold because that is a universal capital. You can buy anything anywhere at any time with gold. That is why the value goes up. It's not because of your jewelry.
Yeah, Coach,
It's a
it's so
currency.
crazy. It's so crazy that economic data was wrong,
The
and
whole
it's the key
time.
data that the
Yep.
Fed was looking at.
Yep. The whole and him saying that I can't go on any of the. What are you going on? What are you basing it on?
Well,
All
he
you
was
have
saying he
is
was
your
going to go
data.
on the jobs data, and it turns out that the jobs data was false.
Was all BS, right? That's why everybody's now they're predicting up to 4 cuts by the end of the year.
So fire that person, not for politics, but for incompetence.
What have I been saying in here every day? Haven't I been saying that every day? Like, this is ridiculous. This is terrible. And I kept saying, I don't hope it's not political, but what are you doing? Right? You're holding the whole situation up over garbage.
Yeah, and
So
Mr. T comes from the business world where if somebody doesn't perform, they're out.
you're out. Yep.
There's no guarantee in life.
Yep. I'm in the same camp. If you do not work out when you are on my payroll here, to ask Bruno, you will not make it a week, 2 weeks maximum. I will cut you so fast. You either are the greatest the world has ever seen, or you are toast. Am I right, Bruno?
That is correct.
I think that's a good overall standard to have for the family, Coach.
But it's just reality. I got a business to run, just like Trump's got a country to run. Either do the job or get the hell out of here, right? That's it.
Starting, Coach, Mr. T.
Oh, thank you. Is he talking? All right, thank you.
He's
walking on. Just hit your platform.
All right, get ready, because as soon as you hear open, the market's gonna get stupid. Somebody kill that mic. Thank you.
Trump is speaking.
Thank you. Now listen, no buzzwords. If you hear anything, don't use the WAR word. Try not to say the countries because we know who we're talking about. If there's a cease situation, I can't even say the rest because they'll be like, buzzwords. If there is a calming down over there, 90-day, 180-day, some sort of agreement, something that I want to know about it. If it's the same, nobody's come to resolution, nothing has changed, blah, 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 market doesn't care. Well, it might tank a little bit, but we'll see.
And I just want you to know the last person that Coach had to let go, it was Melba. Toast, get it? Melba
I get
toast.
nice. I was like, where are you going with this? A Melba? Nice. Nice.
And for only $19 for 2 weeks, you get some of this too.
You'll get those jokes all the time, even if you don't want them, right in your face.
Richard.
Uh-oh.
You're being a Richard.
Oh, sorry, Don.
You're being a Richard.
Here we go. Oh, all right. I'm in the 5-minute.
Yeah, Coach, apparently dad jokes are not a fireable offense.
That is true. Yep, that is true. Why do you think Richard's still on the payroll? I can't shake him.
He hired him because of the dad jokes.
Yeah, I can't shake him.
No, it was really a disability thing. When he heard how I do technical, it's like, we need that. That meets our percentage of handicap.
He's dug in there like a tick. There's nothing I can do about it.
Mr. T's talking about DC. He's deploying the National Guard,
Oh,
and he's
good,
putting the
good.
police
Yep.
under his
Perfect.
control.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, when Richard replied, he filled out the form. Do you have any disabilities? And he wrote in dad jokes.
Yeah, right. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, nice pull. Let's go, baby. Come on.
User role.
Come on. Keep coming. Come. Come on. Come on. Really trying to let this work down here. 637. We're still looking for that break down below 637 and 636.80. But again, news, man. Override all of this stuff. Please, Mr. T, just say one thing that the algorithms pick up on, and let's see this thing just go straight to hell. Just say one thing that freaks the media out. Give them a spicy word so it'll freak the whole thing out. And then I'm gonna collect. I'm gonna look for support. I'm gonna hammer you long, and then I'm gonna ride you all the way back up into the gravy train area. Come on. Or have the media ask some stupid question that will just drive this algorithm crazy. Ask a dumb question. That always works too, right?
Yeah,
My
ask
news
him if he's
reporters
going to
love
run
to do that.
again
Yeah,
They love
really.
to ask dumb
at
questions.
28.
Yeah, say it. Then everybody freak out. Like, what? Come on, baby. Pull. Come on. This has been down the whole time. Look at this. Stair stepping all the way down. Go. Come on. Collapse. The market is not ready for you in $2 to be an all-time historical high. Let's get a drop right now. Let's get a drop before the pop, okay? You know what I'm saying? Right
Still
now.
hesitating.
Yeah, just give me just a tappy tap. Just a tappy tap. Just a quick 5, 10K. Call it good. No harm, no foul. Tappy tap. I'm going to open this way up. Way up. Oh, yeah. Tesla still in the clouds to the upside. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple on the 200s trying to get back to its pre-market high, that 220, 280 we discussed earlier. Qs, same thing. Qs are doing exactly the same thing. Fighting that 576 area. You guys see that on the Qs?
Yeah, the Q's has been mirroring Spy, or Spy's been mirroring Q, but they've been like twins.
Yep. Spy just sitting here. Mark says, talking about DC. Nobody cares right now. Come on, man. Don't you do it. Don't you? I've got my stop in place. Don't you spike off that 637. Gave you plenty of room this time, though. Plenty of room. Come on. Come on, Mr. T. Say one thing that the media will pick up on. One buzzword. Come on. I will short you to hell. I will get on that thing like Wile E. Coyote onto a damn rocket. Still waiting. Still nothing. Big nothing burger so far. So while we're waiting, everybody again, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. get signed up for the free Discord or the $19 2-week trial we've got going on right now. Check it out. 2 weeks, 19 bucks. After that, it'll renew at its regular rate, which is $125 a month. Trust me though, being in here for 2 weeks, getting the highest level of training you could ever receive, you will know right away. Join the Zoom. There's 334 people in our Zoom right now. You will have access from 8:45 until 4 o'clock to ask any and all questions. You've never been able to do that before. I don't care how many rooms you've been in. I don't care about any of that crap. You will never have this ability again. Come on, baby. Let's go. There we go. Come on. Nice pull. Yes, let's go. Looking for a nice flush here. Right now, again, SPY fighting at this exact moment. It is 5 cents away from previous day close, right? 5 cents. Come on, flush. There we go. Getting nice. That's getting juicy, right? Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's go, baby. Oh, Billy, Billy, Billy. Look at this. Oh, Billy Baru. Come on. That's nice. Anybody loving that?
I sold it.
Now you're on that triple bottom.
Yep, I
Yeah.
see it. I'm down there.
I'll buy the breakthrough if it goes.
Yep, I'm down with the clown right now.
I'm in.
Oh. Oh boy. Oh, look for volume. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Let's go. Keep going, baby. Yes, there's 800.
Going. There's support there from pre-market. Be careful.
Thank you. What's the level?
70 cents right there.
Thank you. Yep, and I've got it at 80. Yep, so we're right there.
Yeah, I took it there. I'll buy it if it breaks again.
Yep, I'm still holding, man. It's still in the way that this is bleeding. This is nice.
Yeah. Good volume. There
Yep.
we go.
Yep, there's 1,000.
Yeah,
Moving
44,
my stop.
44 below that.
44, thank you. Nice, nice.
Yeah. Keep going. Come on. A little more. Little dab will do you.
Yep. Taking it. It's 1,000. Made 1,000 on the trade.
Yep, I was right behind you there.
Yep, yep. Just the
last
way
little bit
it's.
of gamma
Yeah, it
took it.
stalled out. It just stalled out too much
did.
for my liking. Yep.
Optimism started creeping back in.
Yep, and then it'll bounce hard back up before a pullback, and I don't want to lose all that.
Yeah, bulls are going to try to retake a little ground, huh?
I agree. I didn't like that stall. Yeah, right there, I would have gave back 400 bucks. Nah, I'll take my 1,000. Look at that. Look at that. That's why we do what we do. Am I right, Palm?
Yep. You can tell when the car runs out of gas.
Yep.
It's a gift that keeps on giving.
It really is. Now, did you guys see the way I was working that 5-minute candle so I'd have a lot more room, right?
No.
Gave me all that chart space. Because that could have knife dropped. Honestly, that could have been way. How much is a regular membership right now? It's $19 for a 2-week trial. Otherwise, it's normally $125 a month for premium membership or $500 for VIP per month. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Get signed up right now. It'll take you, it'll say join the community. Click that button. It'll take you to our marketplace. You'll see the premium in there. Get it right now.
And the really neat thing about this 2-week trial is you're going to know, no ifs, ands, or buts, the value. And there's nothing that says you can't even upgrade to a diamond or other memberships where you're getting even more in-depth knowledge.
Yeah, absolutely. Yolanda, congratulations. We see you with the you took advantage of that $19 premium membership. Smart. Come on in. Try us out. You guys will get immediate access to hot stock picks. That pre-mark is set up. The IPO center, so you guys will see all those new IPOs coming out, and you will have full access to Zoom inside of this room with us. 328 people right now. Our moderators are in here from 8:45 until 4 o'clock for all premium memberships. You will be able to be in this room with people that are literally making millions of dollars in the stock market. You will never find this anywhere else. No other community has this. None. Thank you. Great group today, by the way. Had a lot of people in here. I appreciate all of you being here. Thank you so much.
Hoorah, Coach.
Yeah, appreciate it. Oh, my wife got me something nice. What is this? Is that a cookie? My wife got me a cookie. That's my old football coach would say. Get yourself a cookie, Christian. And then he'd whack you with an actual aluminum arrow, because you know that was cool back in the day. She got me a cookie. Like, I thought I was a protein cookie. That's an actual cookie. That's a
All
300
kinds of goodies.
That's a 340 calorie more than my typical meals cookie. She must.
See?
That's nice. I mean,
Coach,
Cookies are for closers.
what is cookie?
Yeah,
I don't understand. What's cookie?
she got me an actual cookie instead of like some sort of diet thing, right? I'll tell you why, because Mama got her cookie this morning, if you know what I'm saying. So she's bringing me.
Whoa.
So she's bringing me all sorts of
TMI.
treats.
TMI.
No, you did not.
He
do
did.
that.
He really did.
Oh, Coach.
Yeah. So Mama's
the
trying to
tip
give
jar,
me
damn
all
it.
sorts of goodies. You know what I'm saying? So
Coach, please report
God.
to HR in the
Hit
morning.
the
Yep.
tip jar for
Listen.
implied volatility.
Now listen, I don't know what you guys, your dirty little minds. I don't know what you're thinking about. Okay.
I don't get it.
Let
Yeah.
the witnesses.
Yeah.
You know what we're
Everybody.
thinking.
Delicious, Coach.
Everybody, be cool now. Nothing. There's nothing to see here. We're just trading stocks. Okay.
Oh, you want us to watch too? Come on now.
Yeah. That's the other channel.
That's
That's the real money maker.
It's my turn. Dawn.
Yeah.
Stop.
Oh, Dawn, get your head out of the gutter. Come on.
Oh man.
Goodness gracious. All right, what do we got here? So, man, Palm, did
Still
we call
honoring the
that?
9.
Palm, did we call that right or what? Look at the way that stalled out and never came back. Whew.
Right up. I wasn't sure if that was going to flush, but I took a little bit.
Yeah. I'm looking for it to flush here.
Yeah, rejection.
Yep.
The bulls were just kind of holding it, and they
There
weren't
it
taking it
goes.
higher.
Yep.
So
He just declared a public
It's gonna sit there for
emergency.
45 minutes, and the bulls
Uh-oh.
are going to take it. The bears are going to play with it.
Oh, hold on one second. Go ahead. What's that?
I said he just declared a public emergency for the issues.
For DC?
Yeah.
DC, yeah.
Okay, okay. I thought he meant here. I'm like, whoa, wait a minute.
No, not the
Oh,
whole
okay.
country.
All right. Sorry, Palm. I thought we had breaking breaking news.
Yeah, I got you.
Well, he
Sorry.
said those words, so you never know if the algorithms pick up on it.
Could be. Yeah, watch for could be big pull here, Palm, in case people panic, right?
SPY is honoring the 9.
Thank you. Yeah, I took that quick short for a couple honey right there. Pulling back off of on my chart, because I'm trading off of something different, but off mine, it was off the 21. That's why I shorted that right there. SPY sitting on that 636.80 critical level we had marked earlier, yes? Okay, good. Flipping to a 5-minute candle. Thank you, everybody, for being here. You guys are awesome. We've had a great group today over on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, MySpace, Craigslist, OF.
Did you just throw out MySpace?
I did. We're on everything, man. We're on Craigslist. We're everywhere. Okay? Kick, Tumble, Rumble. We're on all the
Napster.
things. What's that?
Napster.
Napster. We're over on Napster now.
Grinder.
We could possibly be on Grinder. I don't know. Grinding up the stock market, I could tell you that. We're making sweet, sweet love to the stock market. Am I right?
Don't forget OnlyFans.
Yeah. Bang, bang. I did. I called the OF without technically saying the full long name because we don't know if it really meant only old fat guy. Right? We don't know. Catch me
They
on.
got a group out there that's only dads.
Yeah, for the ODs.
Yeah, they created their own. They're like, we're gonna be the only dads.
There you go. All right, 630, 680. Careful of that palm. That's what we had marked earlier, right, partner? All morning, 630, 680, gang, right? Everybody in the room?
Yes, sir.
Real quick, I'm not signing off. It's in case I want to get it. Chris, by the way, congratulations on your $19 premium membership. Same with you, Jamal. Good to have you in here. Appreciate all of you. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Click on the join the community. You will see on the, it'll then take you to our marketplace. You will be able to see exactly what we're talking about. Now remember, once you sign up, you need to create a Zoom account, right? That's what allows you into the Zoom. If you need help, ask in any channel, anywhere. If you're like, oh, I don't know how to use Discord, I don't know how to ask, we're on everything that you're watching on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, all the things. Ask for help over there. Say, I just signed up. I need help. Talk, and we will get you the assistance you need. Tomorrow at 12:30 Eastern, we have a live onboarding to show you where everything is, how to navigate Discord, where to get the training videos, what time are the events, what do you mean when you say hot stocks, what is that, where do I go, how do I get access to this, oh wait, if I want to upgrade to VIP, what does that mean, what do I get with that? You guys have gold breakout rooms. How do I have access? I heard somebody say 2-minute EWO, there's a live Apple chat. How do I get that? Where is that? What do I do? If I'm on my phone, how do I get to that versus my laptop? I'm on my laptop, but we will answer all of your questions. Every week we do onboarding to get the help you need. We will never send you a friend request. We will never, ever direct message you. We will never ask, how's your trading going? None of that. I will never reach out anywhere on anything. Real quick though, before I just don't want to forget. It's Monday. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Jeffrey, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, Mountain Man, and Juan. Thank you so much for being here. All my military family, we appreciate you every single day. Thank you to my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you.
A lot of moderators.
Yes, there's a lot. So thank you again. Robert, we see you just subscribed to our $19 premium membership. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Hopefully you guys are excited to learn and grow with us. This is American Dream Trading. We are one of the largest and fastest stock market education companies, growing education companies in the country, if not the world. There's that pull below 636.80. Double bottom at 636.60. Nice.
Hey, Coach, is this a quad top on Tesla if you're interested?
Let me take a look, partner. Yeah, Tesla, you want to break and hold above that 343.30. See it?
Yes, sir. Do you see how those lows keep getting higher and higher?
I do. Yeah, I do. Right. I told you that's looking nice, staying up nice and tall, right?
I think I'm picking up what you're putting down, sir.
Yes, listening to the sound of my voice. I like the way you roll.
It's taking a little bit more than the free stuff to listen, though. But I'm listening.
That's all right. That's all right. Better late than never, too, right?
Hey, at least I'm still alive while I'm listening.
That's right. Hey, ask F2, man. He was on that struggle bus for a long time, and now my man's up almost $30,000 in the last week.
I've seen it. I've seen it.
It's incredible. Love it. And again, we all got to witness the entire journey. He's been talking about it. He's been active. He's been on the aftermarket show all the time. You guys have seen the trials, right? The hardships, the work, the grind, the things. And now guess what? Boom. Now he's running towards that finish line, right? He's heading towards it.
Energy, but he is sprinting.
Yes, absolutely. I told you, listen, everybody.
I'm so proud of him.
So am I. Listen, everybody in the room. And you guys always think it's some like sales thing. Once you learn how to become a good stock market trader, the money will literally pour in like you have never experienced and or ever will as long as you live. I cannot guarantee results. I cannot guarantee that you will be successful because a lot of you will quit before you get there. Hell, F2 almost quit. This is hard. But I'm telling you right now, once you get this, it is like turning the faucet on. It is like cutting the side of the pool off and watching the water just go crazy. It's like a waterfall. It is not a drip. The drip is when you are learning up, down, all around, up, down. Then it's like, oh, and then it's just a different beast.
See, there's about 200 people right now in their head, shaking their heads silently, like, yep, I remember being there. And then there's like the rest of us that are just like, oh, he's talking, he's just trying to take my money. No. It's way better at ADT. Way better.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's not some like, I'm telling you, I'm not selling you guys snake oil. You guys have seen it. I mean, it's funny. One of the guys that I'm competing with, which is the only one really that I consider competition, literally the only person that I would consider competition. He got sued into oblivion, by the way, like $2 million lawsuit. He's still around and he's still our competition, but SEC annihilated him. But anyways, he's our competition. I watched his story, right? He turned 580, no names, $583 into like a couple $100,000 the first year, then $500,000 the second year. And then by the fourth year, he made $1 million. He's been doing this now 15 years. He's at 12 million. You guys realize I have so many people in this room that have started with none of the training that he had done and everything that the years before he did that, all of the things that are above him now. And I've only been on this live for 3 years. Right? It, and he's considered one of the best stock market traders in the world. I've done it
Yeah.
with 14 people in 3 years, and 12 of them had never traded a day in their life. Let that sink in for a minute. It's crazy, right? Oh gosh, no. Are you guys serious? No. Yeah, that guy's getting
Coach,
sued all over the place, but that's not who I'm talking. That's not competition. That's a goofball kid. Yeah, go ahead.
breaking news, the DC police have been placed under federal control.
Oh, I love it. Thank you. Appreciate you. I can't wait for them to clean that up.
If SPY goes down, your levels are 636.50, and then a crucial one at 636.15. Gold level 636.15.
Now listen, you guys want to know how good people are getting in the room? I want you to see something on my charts. Ready? What are the two levels I have marked right now, right here and right here? What are they?
636.60, 636.16. Oh yeah, I was right on you. I didn't even see that.
Right? You guys are getting better every single day. Appreciate you. No, it's not that person either, Orlando. He's not my competition either, not at all. Yeah, neither one of those names you mentioned, they're not my competition. The first
Come
one
on,
is
Hudson. I know that's right.
the first one though is now a friend of mine who calls me all the time. So that one, he's cool. The second one is the goofball.
He's more
Toxic.
stocks than options, coach, right?
What's that?
He plays more stocks than
That's
options.
all. Yeah, the one I'm. Yeah. That's all he does is stocks. He has zero experience in everything else. Yep, zero experience. Yeah, he'll trade about 60,000 shares, and you have about 1.5 second to collect. Right? He trades on the 1 second. He's trading like ticks. Yep.
Mostly hot stuff, right?
Yes. Yep. It's all of our hot stock stuff is what he's trading. Yep. His price though is only $10,000 a year, and you can't ask him any questions. That's a pretty good deal. Am I right? And I'm not exaggerating.
I think
And
you
he
can
doesn't do it
provide.
live.
No, he does not do it live. No. And you can't ask any questions live either. No, not at all. That's our competition, by the way. Does that sound like competition? We're over here making hundreds of millions of dollars, showing you everything you could ever imagine: stocks, options, futures, crypto. And that's our competition. That's crazy. Listen, I'm telling you, when the word gets out, when people see what we're doing at American Dream Trading, there is no competition. I only have to say it in the amount of volume he's doing compared with us. That's it. Other than that, we don't have competition at all.
But this is our house, though. This is our family.
That's
We
right.
ain't worried about his house. We
That's
worried about
right.
our house.
That's right. We're getting it done over here. So again, thank you everybody. Don't forget. So I'm going to take off here. Now listen, don't forget. Oh, thunderstorm's coming. Don't forget. $19 premium membership for 2 weeks. It's a 2-week trial. Check it out. Now, as I'm heading out the door, I want you guys to watch that 636.60 break and hold to the downside. Break and what?
And hold.
Thank you. Yeah, oh, here it comes. Hold on, let me make a quick buck. Hold on, let me make another 1,000 real quick. If the market wants to give it to me, far be it from me to deny it. Watch for the break and hold of 636.60 down to 636.16. Come on, keep coming. You know you want to. I can see you. But anyways, Oh, it is starting to rain here, which means I'm going to be losing internet anyways. But again, thank you guys. We had a great live today. Huge group. Moderators putting it together. We had a lot of good energy. Did anybody make any money today? Open your mics and let the world know if you made any money today. That always helps them
Yes,
because that's
sir.
like the thing.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Absolutely.
sir. Yes, sir.
Thank
Turn
you.
in the corner.
Thank you. Good job, everybody. Appreciate all of you. Love your faces. Again, moderators, we would not be American Dream Trading without you. Big heart goes out to you, everybody that's been watching, listening for the last 3 years. This old man going off on rants and tangents and talking about all sorts of crap and what the hell is this old man saying and all the things. Appreciate you guys for putting up with me. Hopefully you guys are learning something. Hopefully you guys are starting to become successful. If not, stay the course, continue to work, continue to educate, apply, execute. I'm out. Everybody have a good day. See you.
Thanks, Coach.
You got it. Moderators,